All right, big six.
Tonight, a new vaccine that specifically targets Omicron may be just months away. But as new COVID cases explode, our nation is likely just weeks from reaching Omicron's devastating peak. With nearly every state now a hotspot, the U.S. is closing in on 700,000 new cases a day, nearly triple last year's surge. Pfizer's new vaccine would target Omicron and other variants already circulating.
This vaccine will be ready in March. I don't know if we will need it. I don't know if and how it will be used, but we'll be ready.
In recent weeks, infections have exploded off the chart. Some 5.5 million cases just this month. While most infections are mild and don't require hospitalization, in areas first hard hit by Omicron, there's now a dramatic spike in COVID-related fatalities.
There has been more deaths that I've seen the whole time in just 1 week that I normally see in a month, let alone in a day.
First detected in the U.S. 6 weeks ago, Omicron is decimating the workforce and quickly spreading among children. In 2 weeks, cases nearly tripling, with well over 500,000 kids infected in the first week of January. It comes amid a serious shortage of hospital staff.
We have hundreds of doctors and nurses now that have COVID and are isolating because of that. There are many hospitals in the country that are simply on their knees. They are overwhelmed.
As the CDC sets the stage for a fourth shot for the immunocompromised, demand for testing remains high. Lines snaking for miles through some residential neighborhoods. Los Angeles County just shattered a pandemic record, 45,000 new cases in a single day. Many of the sick are vaccinated, even boosted.
You get vaccinated, you get boosted so that you don't end up in the hospital, you don't end up in a ventilator, and you don't die from COVID.
Miguel, if I can circle back now to this testing issue. Tonight, the White House says Americans with insurance won't need to pay for at-home testing kits. What else have we learned?
Well, that's right, Les. We're hoping to expand testing. The White House says Americans with private health care insurance won't need to pay for those over-the-counter at-home COVID test kits. Consumers will instead be able to have their health care plan cover the cost up front or be reimbursed. That policy goes into effect in 5 days.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.